Assalamualaikum viewer. Today our topic is quantitative and qualitative research. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Descriptive research can be divided into broad categories: quantitative research and qualitative research. Quantitative research consists of those studies in which the data concerned can be analyzed in terms of numbers. An examples of the quantitative research might be a study comparing two methods of the teaching. Reading to first grade children because the data used to determine which method is more successful will be a test score. These average score of the children receiving one method will be compared to the average score of the children receiving the other method. This example would be an experimental study discussed in chapter 5. If the experimenter randomly assigned the children to the methods or descriptive study, if the children had already received the instruction and the experimenter was merely examining the result other of the fact sex sex ex post facto studies later in this chapter. The either case and the study would be considered quantitative. Research can also be qualitative, that is, it descriptive, describe events, persons, and so forth scientifically without the use of the numerical data. A study consisting of the interviews of the method of the handicapped infants to determine how their lives and the lives were affected by the birth of their handicapped children is an example of the qualitative research. Such a study would carefully and logically analyze the response of the mothers and report these responses that are consistent as well as area of the disagreement. Each of these type of research has ad- advantage and disadvantage. Quantitative research, the experimenter has carefully planned the study, including the test or other data collection instruments to the to be used. Each subject is studied in identical manner, and there is little room for human idea base to create problems with the data. Qualitative research is also planned carefully, yet qualitative studies leave upon the possibilities to change, to ask different questions and go in the direction that the observation may lead. And experimental quantitative research is based more directly on its original plans, and its results are more readily analyzed and interpreted. That's it for today. Come back in the next video.